In this video right here, I'll be showing you guys how to clear your app cache on your Android device. Simple and easy. Let's move to our settings to do that. Good. On our settings, we scroll to the bottom and we move to apps. So we scroll to the bottom to apps. So this is Samsung. So if you're using a different Android, just search. You should have a search button or at your settings. So just search apps. Good, and you should find something like this on every Android you are using. But then for Samsung, you just have the option here. Just scroll to the bottom here. Under the device care, you see apps. Just open that. So you should see every app you have on your phone here. So to clear the cache, you can't do that. To clear the cache, you can't do it straight away one time unless you are using the RAM clearing RAM and not. But it doesn't clear the cache of the app. So now let's use a single app for the tutorial. So let's just open Canva here. Good. So to clear the cache of an app, we need to move to a storage. Yeah. So we tap on the storage here. Good. So you can see the app data and the cache. I've not been using it. Let me come back to select an app I've been using all the time. Let's use WhatsApp for the tutorial. So the storage here. Good. And you can see my cache is 55 megabytes. So you can see clear data and clear cache. When you clear data, it's going to log you out of your account and everything. Yeah. But then when you clear the cache, it's not going to log you out. You're still going to maintain your account and everything. So that's it on how you clear cache on your Android device. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.